Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Grigorovich again. Today I'm gonna go over something that's called the reality check. So when you go into assessments and hit on reality check, it's actually kind of like a really fun thing. Um, oh no, it's gonna make us watch the video. No, it doesn't. Okay, well, it's fun to watch this video, but you guys can do that on your own time. So we're gonna go ahead and hit start your reality check. So this one is specific to Minnesota. So we'll just have fun with it. I want to live in the Twin Cities. Actually, no. Let's switch for Duluth. Let's see what happens there. Okay, so it's going to ask you here, like what type of house that you want to live in. So you just go ahead and pick where you want to live. And then hit next. And you just go through this and go over things that you want, right? So if I want all of these, electricity, gas, definitely need that. I want water, and I want my trash picked up, so you're gonna definitely want all those things. And then what type of communication do you want? So this would be a landline phone. This is if you want cable TV. If you want to have internet, I don't really watch cable, so that's gonna be how that goes. And then if the type of eater you are. So do you like to eat out a lot or do you eat at home? So I'll do that. So this a lot is about like you living alone. So without a roommate. So as you go through this quiz, kind of just make sure you're thinking about if you were to live alone. And I want a car. So that those prices included insurance. That's why it was so costly. And then I like to go shopping, so I'm gonna go medium. Because I don't like to go shopping a lot, but I do like to go shopping. And then for healthcare, hopefully through work, that's the goal. Okay, we're almost there. I like to do fun stuff, so we'll go here. And then for personal care, I'm kind of low maintenance. Low maintenance. I don't really get my nails done or my hair done, so I'll just kind of go low. And then miscellaneous, I think I'll go light because I do like my occasional cup of coffee. So, reality check. I have a graduate degree, so I'm just gonna go with real time. I went to a public bachelor's degree, so we're gonna click on that and click on that. And we'll go next. So if I want to put savings away, I'll start with nothing for now. Let's see what the bare bones is. So adding it all up, it shows me that this is how much money I would need to make to successfully live the lifestyle that I want. So when I start looking at careers through MCIS, this is kind of what I'm looking at. Which careers will make the amount of money that I'm looking for? If you want to look at how much it costs to raise a family, you can also click on this. And then you want to see how many children do I want to have. Oh, it increases that much. So that's kind of, this is really neat because then it talks about like how do you get the family that you want and the life that you want. So when you do look at an occupation, so let's pull up a job here. Let's see if I can make my life as a fashion designer. Okay, how much would I earn? Okay, so it looks like I would definitely, as long as I made it into this medians range, it looks like I could make a lifestyle, but I might be cutting it close if I'm in an industry where, or in a with a company that doesn't pay as well. I might not be able to have the lifestyle I want, but if I work my way up, I could. So maybe that for me, that means while I'm getting started in the industry, I might need to have 2 or 3 jobs, like maybe have my full-time job and then 2 part-time jobs. But eventually I'll be able to work down into just having 1 job when I make more money. So that's kind of how you want to use that. So again, over here with reality check, you can click on that and then it'll show you, just have fun with it, the kind of lifestyle you'd want and how much money would you need to make to have that. And nowadays there's some more, like cable costs a lot more than the $70 they said it is. So that's just one thing to keep in mind, that some of the costs may have gone up, but for the most part it's the same. So this is really helpful. Okay. All right. Until next time.